Hello everyone and welcome to today's math lesson. We are doing a new topic which is make picture graphs. We are going to start with the part 1 today and we will continue inshallah tomorrow. So we are going to talk about making picture graph. So this picture right here in the corner is a picture graph. Picture graph has pictures or drawings and also has a key. In this case, this key means that each picture is equals to 1 vote. So always be careful about the key. It's very important that you pay attention to the key. So let's go to the lesson. By the end of today, I can use data to create picture graphs. You remember data? It means information. So we are going to use information to create a picture graph. Let's do our mental math before. And I think this is going to take you less than 1 minute. Go on, start. Now, let's review our previous topic was about polycharts, about surveys. So we have here some information that we need to use so that we can complete this chart. So let's review and read this problem. Reba asked her friends to name their favorite juice. 8 said apple, 4 said orange, and 2 said grape. Show her data in a tally chart. So let's remember the tally. 1 stick means 1. And if you have 5, you place them in this manner and it means 5. So let's do the tally chart together. So we know that 8 said apple. 8 said apple. So let's do the tally chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go for the orange. 4 said orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. And lastly, 2 said grape. So this is the data that we have, and we make this chart using the data that we have already. Now I need you to go and watch these 2 videos. They are very important. Pause this lesson, go watch the videos, and come back here to continue with our lesson. So in the videos, you saw how to make a picture graph. Picture graph has pictures and also it has symbols. So you show data with a picture graph. The picture are a symbol for the data. So here, you can use anything as a symbol. It could be a circle, a star, a heart, anything you want. You use it as a symbol so that we can use it for data in the picture graph. So now here in this picture graph, it says the favorite marble color. Every picture graph must have a title. It must have a title. The title is very important in every picture graph so you know what type of data you are reading. Now, they are given the data about marbles. Favorite marble color, and they have 2 colors, blue and red. Now the key is that each marble means 1 vote. So each drawing that you will see means 1. So here, how many blue marbles? We have 1, 2, and 3. And how many red? Also 3. So you can use any shape, you can draw anything as a symbol so that you can show your data in a picture graph. Now, how to transfer data from a tally chart to a picture graph. Let's see. Now we have here some data or information about insects collection. So here is our topic or the title of the survey or of the data that we have. Now we have, let's count together. We have one and two bees, and we have that right here. Then we go for the flies. We have one, two, three, four, five flies, and it's shown right here with the tally chart, with the tally mark, sorry. And then we go for the ladybugs. We have one, two, three, four ladybugs. So this is the data that we have. The information is right here. So now we have to pass this information into a picture graph. So now, I'm not very good at drawing, so I'm just gonna make circles, but you can draw anything you want. So let's put all this data into the picture graph. So let's start with the bee. How many bees do I have? I have one and two. So I'm gonna draw two circles. Again, you can draw two bees or two hearts or any symbol that you want to use. These are my symbols. Then I need to use the data for the flies. I have five flies. So one, two, three, four, five flies. And the last thing I need is the ladybug. So I have four ladybugs. One, two, three, four ladybugs. So this is how I pass my information or my data into a picture graph. So let's do the task. Choose one out of task number one and task number two. Task number one, use the tally chart to make a picture graph. So you have all this data right here, all this information, you have to pass it into this picture graph. And task number two, use the data to make a picture graph. Make sure you label the graph with the title. So here you have all this data, all this information. You have the title, which is favorite sport, and you have all the information. You have the information about, sorry about that, about hockey, ice skating, and soccer. So you have these three sports, and you have to see how many kids like those sports. And as a closure, you need to draw objects or symbols according to the tally marks. So we are using spaceships. You are using spaceships and you have here all the information or data and you have to pass it into this picture graph. Thank you and follow the instructions for each task. Answer them and then upload your answers in your portfolio in Class Dojo. Bye bye.